Repairing iPhones is what we do best. In this case, we got this iPhone 11 with the screen completely damaged. Touch is not working and parts of the screen is with lines. To remove the screen, first we need to disconnect the battery. Once that is done, we can now disconnect screen and part of the Face ID. Grabbing a new part and installing top speaker. Cleaning and adding new sealer is very important here. Installing new screen and connecting battery, making sure everything is super clean and we are ready to go. Adding a new screen protector will help this iPhone. Like, share and follow me.